Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Harris Earpiece is probably one of the most important communication tools for professionals who require discreet and reliable audio transmission in demanding environments, offering superior sound quality, comfort, and durability that sets it apart from the competition, making it a worthwhile investment for those who value seamless communication and dependable performance in various professional settings, whether it's for security, events, or emergency response. Number 5. AUTOKAY 2.5mm Earpiece Headset. This headset is designed for crystal clear audio. It's compatible with many popular two-way radios. Experience superior sound quality with its acoustic tube design. Hear every word clearly, even in noisy environments. It seamlessly integrates with various two-way radio brands and models. Check the description for full compatibility. The included ear molds ensure a comfortable and secure fit. It stays put, even during intense activity. You'll receive one 2.5mm listen-only earpiece and a pair of medium ear molds. Everything you need is included. Simply plug it into your radio's 2.5mm jack and you're ready to go. It's that simple. What we like. It boasts a durable coiled tube and a reliable 2.5mm jack, ensuring a secure connection. If you need compatibility with various radio models, this is the perfect choice. Its versatility makes it ideal for professionals who need a dependable earpiece for different devices. What people say. Work very well with great sound quality. Radio traffic comes through loud and clear. Worked great. Quality okay, did the job. Number 4. Hawk Radio Earpiece Kit. This kit is designed for seamless communication. It's compatible with various Harris Unity radio models, ensuring a reliable connection. Experience crystal clear audio with the included earpieces. It features a tactical whisper mic for discreet communication. Choose from a variety of earbud and earmold options for a comfortable and secure fit. It ensures all-day comfort. The quick-release adapter allows for rapid disconnection from your radio. This is perfect for fast-paced situations. It comes with black and clear torpedo earbuds, left and right flesh ghost ear molds, and more. Find the perfect fit for your needs. Built to withstand demanding conditions, it provides reliable performance. It's backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty. It seamlessly integrates with Harris Unity XG15, XG25, XG75, P5300, P5400, P5500, and P7300 series radios. Enjoy worry-free compatibility. What we like. This one stands out with its quick-release adapter for swift transitions. It comes with a variety of earpieces to suit your preferences. If you prioritize ease of use and a discreet communication style, this is the one for you. What people say. This earpiece has fantastic stereo sound. It has interchangeable bids to fit any ear. Cords are not terribly long, so there is no tucking and running it through my vest. Number 3. Hawk Lapel Mic for Harris Radios. This discreet lapel microphone offers superior audio quality for clear communication. It's designed for seamless integration with your Harris radio. Experience exceptional sound clarity with its advanced noise reduction capabilities. It ensures your messages are heard loud and clear, even in noisy environments. It's designed to work perfectly with your Harris Comm XG100 and XL 200p two-way radios. Enjoy a hassle-free setup and reliable performance. The quick-release adapter makes it easy to switch between radios or detach it quickly when needed. This saves you time and effort. Its lightweight and discreet design ensures all-day comfort. You can wear it comfortably without any distractions. This lapel microphone enhances your communication experience by providing superior audio quality and ease of use. It's the perfect accessory for professionals. What we like. Its key feature is the convenient quick-release adapter, ensuring seamless transitions between devices. It's designed for specific Harris radio models. If you value speed and compatibility with your Harris radio, this earpiece is a must-have. What people say. Harris XL 200 gets the job done. Fits perfect, no problems. Number 2. 2.5mm acoustic tube earpiece. This discrete earpiece offers clear audio for covert communication. It's perfect for discrete listening in various environments. It's designed for listening only, no microphone or push-to-talk functionality. Experience crystal clear sound, even in noisy surroundings. It's compatible with select two-way radios and shoulder microphones with a 2.5mm audio jack. Please ensure your device has the correct jack size. This earpiece uses a high-quality electret speaker, ensuring crisp audio without muffling or crackling. Enjoy superior sound quality. Its compact design makes it ideal for covert operations. The comfortable fit ensures you can wear it for extended periods. Your purchase includes one high-quality acoustic tube earpiece. Everything you need for discrete listening is right here. What we like. This earpiece prioritizes clear audio. It features a 2.5mm jack and delivers crystal clear sound, even in noisy environments. If you need a simple, reliable listening device, this is a great option. Number 1. Comm Gear Supply Mic and Earpiece Kit. It's designed for seamless integration with your Harris radio, ensuring reliable communication in any situation. This kit is built to last, providing superior audio quality and durability. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily use. We've got you covered with our superior quality and unmatched warranty. It comes with a 100% free replacement warranty against accidental damage. This means you can focus on your job, knowing you're protected. We're a trusted American company, committed to providing high-quality products and exceptional customer service. You can trust in our commitment to quality and reliability. Everything you need is included in one convenient kit. Simply plug it in and start communicating, it's that easy. It features hypoallergenic ear molds, an acoustic tube, and earbuds for superior comfort and crystal clear audio. Experience the difference of superior sound quality and comfort. What we like. This kit includes everything you need, making setup a breeze. It comes with a comprehensive warranty, protecting your investment. If you value a complete package with top-notch support, this is the best choice. What people say. The sound quality is great and the earpiece is soft and comfortable. I've been using this for over a month and have not had any issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.